Alright, what is up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing a 2022 GMC Yukon Denali cabin air filter, and I'm going to be showing y'all the process of this, so hopefully y'all like the video and let's get to it. Alright, and also please ignore if it looks a little bit different, or let me know if it looks better if I film like this, because I'm actually filming on my phone and not on my camera. So if it looks better or worse, let me know, because I would like to know y'all's opinion, and yeah, comment down below what y'all think. Alright, so what we're gonna start off with is taking off the glove box. You pretty much come right here to the left hand side. Let me get the light on here. This little bracket thing, or whatever you would call it, all you would have to do is pop it out like that. Very easy. And as soon as you do that, right here there's these little plastic things. All you would have to do is pop it out. Oh yeah, I got one side there, and then the other side, and the other one seemed to pop back in. Alright, and once you release it, all you basically need to do is pull it out of these little hangers that are on the back, and just like that, take out the glove box. And once you take out the glove box, there is this little cover for the air filter. All you do is reach over to this side, has these little tabs that you push in, and yeah, there's this tab right here. As soon as you push that in, you basically just pull it out. You slide it to the left, and the little cap comes out fairly easily. Right now it does have a K&N air filter, and this is an aftermarket one already, so this one you basically just grab it on by this little rubber part, and these you can pull out fairly easily. I mean, they do still hit the top of this little basket. We are going to replace this one with one of the factory ones, or actually this isn't a factory, this is an AC Delco. Not sponsored. We should be though, since I'm making a video about it. Alright, so after you basically wiggle the cabin air filter in, you put in the cap that was on there to begin with, that was covering the last cabin air filter, and you basically pop it in the same way that it came out. Instead of going to the left, you go to the right this time, and it pops just in place like that. Make sure that the little bracket that was here on the side, this little plastic thing, make sure that that one actually latches on, and you're all set. Look, cap is back on. Sorry I didn't have the light to begin with, but I forgot about that. And there's the old air filter. Like I said, this one was still basically brand new, but there was a funny smell that was coming in through the cabin, and we couldn't figure out what it was. Eventually we found out that it wasn't the air filter, it was some other problem. But yeah, that's how you replace a cabin air filter. And after y'all got y'all's cabin air filter in, y'all do want to put y'all's glove box back on. And what I'd recommend y'all to start off with is put it back, line it up with these little latches that were in the back that were holding it in place. And then this little thing, I don't know what you would call it, but you basically have to put that back on first. You could do it in... You could put it on after, but I would recommend y'all to put it on before y'all actually put it all the way in. Yep, just like that. Popped in place, and you slide that back in. You got your working glove box again. So yeah, like that. That's how you replace a cabin air filter on actually this is a 2021 GMC Yukon. So hopefully y'all liked the video. If y'all did, like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see y'all in another video.